Alright, here is Reds. I got the handle pin shaved off flush with the handles. Here's Doug's. Same thing. Now, I'm fixing to put these on the belt grinder, give them their basic rough shape, and go to sanding right there. Now the ducks and the chickens are on their chase lounge. I am fixing to put Red's knife on the buffer and go put it in the leather shop, and then I'm fixing to start on Doug's knife. And Doug, boy, I tell you, thank you for being patient, man. But it's going to be beautiful. This is going to be a booty miss knife. Booty miss. But I'm drinking a cup of coffee, watching my ducks, petting my dog.
Oh, look, they're on their veranda.
Their veranda? I was calling it a chase lounge.
Oh, no, that's the veranda.
Pat wants to know if we want to go to a game park where you feed and look at wild game up there north of Jefferson Thursday.
Other than my wild game?
Our wild game, yeah. Other wild game. I don't know what kind they have, but he wants to go Thursday in the morning, 10-ish or so.
I think it's supposed to rain Thursday.
We'll see. You want to go? Okay, this is Red's. And this is the walnut that has a greenish tint to it. I'm fixing to go put this on the buffer. And then I'm going to start on Doug's. Alright, there's Red's knife. You really can't pick up on any green tint on that. It just doesn't look greenish. Again, satin finish. Okay. This one's going to the leather shop, and fixing to work on Doug's, and Doug's is the last one. And then tomorrow I will be in the leather shop making sheaths. Okay, Doug, we are safe. I am past the point where I could screw it up. Now it is just hand sanding. Okay. Let me get to work. We'll be back in a couple of hours. All right, that is sanded up to 1,000. Now, we go put this on the buffer. I'll show it to you in just a minute. Oh, without the light on, you can see the BC blades just fine. Golly, that come out so nice. I absolutely love ironwood. So far, ironwood is the hardest stuff I've ever worked with, but it is the most beautiful wood. I don't know why this thing won't focus. All right, this is Doug's knife. Okay, tomorrow, early in the morning, I start making sheaths. And this is a satin finish. All right, see you in the morning.